Hi, my name's Scott Patterson, and we're in Pacifica here in California. So I was requested by my insurance company to have my roof done. I found Epic through a referral from my neighbor. So the installation actually was a kind of a magical thing because I had a time constraint. So I was really pleased that I could get in there within 4 days of getting the estimation, get on the job and have it done within a week's time. The workers were great, very comprehensive, and followed it right to the very end and went far beyond my expectations. Well, it feels great. It's a lot warmer and it sure looks a lot nicer. In fact, of course, I had to go and paint the whole house because it had to be dressed up to match the excellence of the roof. I was more than happy to make a referral based on the experience I had, making it very, very quick and easy. And in fact, they even hooked me up with financing, which was really a benefit for me. So in conclusion, thank you, Jeremy. Thank you, Benny. Thank you, Jose. Thank you, the whole crew. And thank God for Epic.